This exercise creates a personal sanctuary and builds self-confidence. Sit or lie comfortably so that your body is well supported. Make sure your spine is straight, your arms and legs uncrossed. When you are ready, close your eyes. Begin to pay attention to your body. Notice how you are feeling, the different sensations in your body. Now get as comfortable as you can. Move your body around until you feel very, very comfortable. Good. Now bring your attention to your breathing. Just observing your breath as it comes in and out of the tip of your nose. Just letting it be. Just observing it. Becoming more aware of your breath's rhythm. Now bring your attention to your body. Slowly scan the whole of your body, from head to toe, identifying any tension you have in your muscles. Each time you breathe out, let go of that tension and relax the muscles. With each breath out, say the word relax quietly to yourself. Feel your body becoming heavier as you relax more and more, letting go of any tension that you find. Feel your body relax deeper and deeper. Now I'm going to count down slowly from 10 to 1. And I want you to count along with me. Feel yourself getting more deeply relaxed with each count. 10, 9, 8, letting go more and more. 7, 6, 5, relaxing deeper and deeper. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're now in a deeply quiet, relaxed state of mind. Just allow yourself to enjoy the feelings of being deeply relaxed for a few moments. If you are aware of any thoughts, just gently let them go and bring your attention back to your breath. I'm now going to ask you to picture some scenes in your mind. Imagine that you are in a special place that you know. A place where you feel safe, relaxed, comfortable, with you and happy. It can be any place that appeals to you. the seaside, a mountaintop, a rainforest, a great holiday you remember, your grandparents' home, being with family or friends. It can be a place you have been to, or you can make it up right now. Wherever it is, it should feel comfortable, safe, and peaceful to you. See or sense yourself there. Explore the environment around you. Hear the sounds and smells. Pay attention to the visual details, the colors around you. What feelings or impressions do you have as you allow yourself to really be in this place? Notice any sensations you feel in your body. Imagine that you're really there. Allow yourself to really enjoy the feelings you have being in this special place. From now on, this is your own personal inner sanctuary. You can return here anytime you want, just by closing your eyes and imagining it. You'll always find it healing and relaxing, and you'll always feel absolutely safe in your sanctuary. Now, go over to a place in your sanctuary where you feel very comfortable and safe, and sit or lie down there. Make yourself completely comfortable. Just relax and spend a few moments sitting or lying quietly, relaxing deeply each time. Now, as you remain very deeply and completely relaxed, I want you to think about some of the things you like and appreciate about yourself. The special qualities you have, the things you do well, the things your family and friends like about you, what you really enjoy about being yourself. Use this time to really acknowledge yourself and to put any self-criticism you may have aside for the moment. Now, slowly stand up in your sanctuary and look around once more at your surroundings. As you leave your sanctuary, you know that it is always available to you, and that you can return here anytime you want. Now, bring your attention back to your body and become aware once more of your breathing. Staying in touch with the feelings of calm and relaxation. Gradually become aware of the room you're in, how you're sitting or lying, of the sounds around you. To finish this relaxation session, hear yourself saying to yourself, when I stretch and open my eyes, I will be alert and calm, and will take these positive feelings with me. So take a deep breath now, and stretch your arms above your head, and as you breathe out, lower your arms. Open your eyes, fully alert and rested.